Hey everybody, happy Monday of the week of March 26, 2018. This is Dr. Ryan Bradshaw coming to you again, and I hope you're having a good week so far. Just wanted to once again discuss with you this week's assignments and upcoming events, and just to kick things off for my business law students in the seated class. Today we will be covering Chapter 21 in class. Let's see, zoom this up a little bit. Yep, Chapter 21, and then we'll cover Chapter 22 on Wednesday, and then we will be out Friday for Good Friday. So we'll get 2 more chapters in. We should be off contracts now, which is a good thing, and moving right along. All right, for my business management class, let's see. We're moving right along in that class as well. All righty, this week, let's see, yeah, we're on Chapter 12, and we'll begin lecture tomorrow, the 27th, on that. So look forward to that, and be prepared for those assignments. The online business law should be Chapters 21 and 22 this week also, so I'm not going to pull up the schedule for that. The small business management folks, very briefly, your assignment this week is the organizational chart, which is a pretty easy assignment compared to last week's work on the financial planning. Yeah, the organizational structure org chart. I did bump the due date on this till after spring break. I mean, you can go ahead and turn it in this week, which is what I prefer, but I did give you some extra time on this, so there won't be a due date, anything due over the break. A student had a question about that last week, and none of you guys should have anything due over the break. So if you see something that falls due over the break, let me know, because spring break is spring break for a reason. So should be no assignments due on that. But for the small business management folks, I put some notes in the classroom. I didn't make a supplemental video because this doesn't really require a supplemental video. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, and then lastly, the folks in Intro to Business, you guys are still moving right along. Thanks for participation last week. I think everybody turned in their work, which is a good thing. All right, so let's take a look at what's due for this week. Yeah, got a busy week this week. You've got 3 chapters. Today is Chapter 6, tomorrow's Chapter 7, Wednesday's Chapter 8, and then Test 3 is due Thursday. So 1, 2, 3 chapters and then a test. And so you knew going in this class was accelerated due to being an 8-week course, and I've been talking about it the whole semester. So go ahead and knock these out, and then enjoy your spring break. You know, a well-deserved spring break. I know you've only been in this class a few weeks, but it does fly by very quickly. All right, that's it as far as the weekly notes. As far as what's due this week, just to give you guys a heads up on that, we are going to be entering spring break next week. Everybody's off Friday, so enjoy your break. When we come back from spring break, we'll be hot and heavy into registration season. The first week after spring break will be summer registration. The week after that will be fall registration. So for you students that are already enrolled, you guys that I'm talking to, this is your opportunity to get first dib picks of classes that you need. And so some of you are getting closer and closer to graduation. Make sure you get those classes you need and be able to kind of design a schedule that best fits your needs. All right, main thing I just want to communicate to you on that note as far as getting closer to graduation is stick with it. Don't quit. I've actually dropped out of college when I was a junior, and it took me a couple years to go back. And when I did finally go back and graduate, I felt like I was behind and then just chasing it. So stick with it. You're already in the program. You're already making progress. So hang in there. Go ahead and get your registrations in for next semester, and just, even if you only take a class or 2, just stick with it. Keep moving forwards, and I guarantee it'll pay off. So, all right, guys, you know where to get up with me. If you've got questions for this week, let me know. But this is going to be a quick week, and then we'll be out for spring break. So you guys enjoy it. And if I don't talk to you beforehand, have a safe spring break, okay, guys? And I'll see you on the flip side. I will be checking my emails throughout spring break, though, so if you do need something, just let me know. But once again, no assignment should be due for spring break, so you guys should be able to have some peace of mind there. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Enjoy. See you on the flip side.